Hey friends, if you encounter the failed block download error in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. Now, mostly it's not because of Google Chrome. You could try it on a different browser. It's the firewall that leads to this impact. So here's what I suggest you to do. Search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search bar. Go to Windows Defender Firewall only if you're very sure about the download. If it's a fraudulent download, then avoid. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Switch it off for both of these. Click on OK and then download the file. Then return to Turn Windows Defender Firewall. Switch it on because it's important, and then click on OK once again. Now, if this does not help, don't go for other solutions. Straight away search for Chrome and open Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings here, and then you can go to reset settings, restore settings to the original default, and then reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.